Welcome to another process video from Freddie and myself. Today I'm going to be taking scraps of fabric and making those small bits into new fabric. Let me show you. Oh, and I'll be making some greetings cards and postcards with the new fabric that I make. Let me show you. I've got Serafina, my vintage sewing machine, to help me today. But if you haven't got a sewing machine or don't want to get your sewing machine out, you have to be in the mood for that, don't you? Don't worry, I glue mine on. Sometimes I get Mod Podge or PVA and I glue my fabric on. Oh, it's such fun gluing fabric. I go through phases. I'm going to sew mine onto paper, or you can use fleece. I've got some old fabric here. I can glue some on to fabric as well. So yeah, just have you got plenty of scripts and scraps? Here's WYSIWYG, and let's start with our first bit, shall we? That's my little leader ender. I love them when they get all full. It's lovely and full of stitches. I might be able to pop that one on a postcard today. We'll see. Just going round and round really. And then I'll add another bit in a minute. I find this, I'm coming back to this today. I've got a nice cup of tea. It's still a bit hot, just made that. And I'll take a nice breath, and one has different, look at these lovely small pieces, shiny and lovely. I'm just going to keep adding. This is one of my go-tos, my gentle go-tos for when I'm feeling a little bit tired. This is just, such fun to create. And reusing all those little scripts and scraps of fabric that we might have in our stash. It's just a case that there is no right or wrong with this either. There's no, you have to go this way or that way. I'm just smoothing them out. Eventually, when you get more, you'll go all around. That's a nice little bit, isn't it? Let's cut that. Well, that would make a nice ruffle, actually. I'm going to, if any bits that I leave that are like that, I will probably leave and use for the edge of a journal. That's nice to have some of the writing on the edge. Oh yes, just you might want to create along or sit back and watch. Sometimes it is relaxing to just sit and ponder and listen to the sounds of someone else creating, isn't it? Oh, lovely. some gold ribbon, so I'm adding that as well. This is a tiny little bit, but I think it's going to add a nice stripe. This was a favourite piece of fabric of mine. I've only got that left now. Oh, there is still one little dog there. It was Dogs and Postcards. Oh, I loved it. So I'm not wasting an inch, but I think I'll keep that little dog. But use this bit. Oh, in the collage. The paper, it's almost full now, so I'm going back over where it hasn't got any stitches, just going round and round really. Oh yes, sitting down for lunch and progress on the hexie cardigan. I'm just crocheting around the bottom. Yes, it's making good progress. All done. Making little scraps of fabric into new fabric. And this is great because it will stick to my projects, but equally so if you want to make yours on fabric or wadding. When it's on fabric, it's not going to wash very well because it'll have loose ends, but it's great for our greetings cards and junk journal ephemera. I want to make a birthday card and it's in the shape of a 1, so let's try and cut it out actually. Yeah, let's just cut it out like that. And it has that little bit like that, doesn't it? And it comes up. And then I have to be careful not to do everything backwards here. Let's have a look. Does this look like a 1? Yeah, I would say so. Yes. Let's experiment. I've got some little greetings cards here. This is handmade paper that Julia gave me. Open it up like that and you can see it's starting to come apart. So I'm going to take it back to the machine, or you can glue it depending on what you're doing, and go all the way around the edge. Card number 1. I've decided to incorporate this little dog into the card because this family have 2 lovely dogs, and I know this little boy loves his pet dogs. Oh, that's cute. It's like a card or a journal page, just evolves depending on the scraps you've got available. Oh, let's I like to go from the back and don't even look. Oh, doesn't it look yummy at the back? I'm going to cut out a small heart, a wonky heart. Lovely. Let's sew that onto there. Card number 2. Probably put something shiny on there. We'll find something later. Now let's make a postcard. 4 inches by 6 inches. Got some little bit of bling from here, and I'm literally just going to, I don't want to put, it's a sequin, so I don't want to put that through the machine, so literally just going to glue that on. There you go, there are no rules, just gives that a little bit of shine. I love that. Right, this is what the postcard, the colours in the postcard. So I'm going to look through here to see if there's any little embellishments I'd like to put on. Oh, that jar is gorgeous, isn't it? Would that cover too much up? I'm wondering. Oh, look. Oh, I'd like to put that on. That was my watercolour paints, and oh yeah, no, I think they're all watercolour paints. Making a robin. Let's put that on when a robin appears, a loved one is near. Oh yes, I'll put that on. Maybe a little heart as well. Because it's not sequins, I might go round these on the sewing machine. Oh, it's lovely. It's nice to have a little tub with precious little bits and pieces in. I'll add that bling to that. There we are, and have them handy. Card 4 by 6, or you can glue it on today. I'm going to use the machine. There we are. With my postcards, I like to send a little bit of hope around the world. And yeah, because loads of people can see them as they go on their journey, can't they? Oh, that's lovely. I'm pleased with that. I'll pop it in I'll write it up, pop the address on, and then put it in one of those plastic wallets to protect it. I put one of our community quotes on the back. Happy memories are a blessing and a comfort in difficult times. Treasure your memories. And that was from Rhiannon. Sent that quote to us, so thank you, Rhiannon. And thank you, Seraphina. Safe journey, happy mail. Right, come on then, Freddie. Sorry, darling, your lead's all tangled. Hold on. That's it. Oh dear. Oh, thank you so much for joining us. Flo, have you? Oh, Flo's got something to show us. Oh, it's her postcard collection. Oh, that's amazing. Postcards from all over the world. Can we just pick one out? Wonderful. Love your postcard collection. Oh, isn't that lovely? It's got a picture of you on it. It's from Willow 2025. Here's a little one. Oh, it's from Linda, all the way from Australia. Oh, how lovely. Look at that. Oh, beautiful. She's a very lucky fairy, isn't she? Postcards from all over the world. Shall we light a candle? Yes, let's do that. Oh, just a little bit of time to slow down and breathe and yeah. Take care, everyone. Bye. Oh, these are nearly all gone. Yes, these were your... Oh, sorry, darling. And that one. Oh, lovely, lovely. There we go. Ah. Nice.
The slightest.
Is he though?
Yeah, but she doesn't look very relaxed. Oh yeah, she is a bit.
No, she likes a bit of crochet. Honey's come to visit. Oh, play with me, Nikki. Oh. Oh. Freddie's got a bone.